Welcome YouTube. Today I am going to try ChatGPT. If you are not living under a rock, you must have heard of it. But for those who haven't, ChatGPT is a text-based AI that can almost do anything for you. So today I am going to push the AI to its limits by making a website. So sit back, relax and get yourself some Nutella spaghetti. Enjoy! So I have created a HTML and CSS file to start with. And by the way, comment if you think this will be the future of humanity. So basically, I am going to ask if it's capable of doing this so I won't run into any issues. It gave me a simple HTML code, so I am going to put this in VS Code to see what we got. I mean, it's expected, not that surprising. So let me just ask for another thing to see if it works or if ChatGPT is just a scam. So here I asked it if it can make me an HTML code that tells the advantage and disadvantage of phone. I also told it if it can make me a CSS code so it will be easier to read. I use the link tag to link the CSS and all the HTML. It did write me this, but it's really bad. So I asked if it can make it modern and clean looking. And it wrote me all this, and also I asked if it can make it work on phones too. Okay, but this isn't even close to modern looking. It didn't even make it look good, so asked again, which gave me this. Now it's starting to look good. So I told it if it can even make it look better. You can use continue if your code isn't fully completed or the AI disconnected. And for some reason it gave me an image, which I don't have, so I searched a good picture and replaced the error. After I told it to use animation, it was starting to look even better. It also gave me this button and the contact information. I also tried if it looks good on phone, but doing this and it looked like it did. But you can't be sure until you try it on the phone. So that is what I am going to try. To do this, I created a simple Python script that is capable of running it on the server so I can access it on my phone. So this is what it looks like on the phone. I like how the animation works and how everything is readable. So how do you like it? I mean, it's amazing overall. But you can't be against me on this one because I am going to give it 6 out of 10. Because there are some issue with it. Bye, and tell me if you made it to this far to the video.